As you can see, this is my wallet with $250,000, and this is only one of my wallets. How can you get this money into your wallet as well? And for that, you have to understand a couple of things. Because in crypto, as you can see, we are moving in cycles. In explosive cycles up and explosive cycles down. And we had the last cycle, the previous cycle, we had NFTs. And this cycle that we are right here, we have meme coins. And in this cycle, we are still in a bull market right now. Like as you can see, Solana dropped pretty hard from $300 almost right here. Like Solana dropped almost 70%. So that's a lot of money that has been going, like has been lost. But recently we went up 60%. And I believe we're going to go up higher. We're going to go up from here. The bottom that we were a couple of days ago, we are going to go up 100% from that, I believe. Of course, I don't know for sure, but I do think this will be the price point that we're going to reach very soon. But you're watching this video and you think, but how can I make money from this? Because I don't have a bunch of money to buy a lot of Solana right now. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can turn your $100 into $500 and your $500 into $1,000. And you can double it from there every time again and again. So it's actually very simple. How are you going to get this amount of dollars into your wallet? You have to get Solana. How are you going to get Solana? You have to create something on the blockchain. You have to create some sort of coin or token, and you have to let other people buy that token, and then the price goes up a lot. So for example, if you would have created a token at this price point, like for example, yeah, this is a little bit of a weird explanation. So for example, this is 0. This is the start. The new coin has been created. So you are the creator of the coin. That means that you bought your own coin at this low price. Then when other people are buying the coin, it goes up a lot like this. And you can sell, for example, right here. Or you can sell earlier, you can sell right here. And that means you can make insane amount of profits because you are the first person who bought your own coin. So this is the trick that has been in this cycle the case, how a lot of people, including me, made a lot of money with meme coins. And now you're probably wondering, are you too late? Because we are already pretty high up in the cycle. No, this is actually a really good time because Solana is still at a very good price point. Solana was at $100 just some days ago. The whole meme coin market, the whole hype was kind of dead. But now Solana is at $150 and will probably go up to around $200 again soon. That means that the whole meme coin hype will be alive again. And there's so much opportunity to make so much money with meme coins. So how does this work? Because as you can see, we have a lot of decks right here. So I always use Photon to analyze meme coins. So as you can see, Pump.Fun is the most popular platform to launch meme coins. But if you look closely at the market caps of all these newly created meme coins on Pump.Fun, you can see that there's not even one meme coin that is above 10k market cap. And what even is the market cap? Well, the market cap basically shows how much money is into the meme coin. How much people bought with the amount of money into the meme coin. So the higher the market cap, the more money you make as the creator of the meme coin. And as you can see, there's also so many meme coins being launched on Pump.Fun. So this is just not a good place to be. So for example, this is a street market and there's so much competition because there's not one person who is selling fruits or stuff. Look, there's a whole street full of people and there's a lot of people walking here. But how good would it be if you are the only one or one of the few ones who is standing here selling stuff? And then people basically don't have any choice to go to you. So it will just be a lot more easier to let people buy your meme coin if you launch it in a way where not a lot of other people are also launching meme coins. And the whole point with Pump.Fun is that, look, every second there's a new meme coin. But if you're going to look on Radium, there's not even that much meme coins being launched, as you can see, created. Look at the time differences between each meme coin that has been launched. There's only a few meme coins that are being launched. And also all the people with a lot of Solana in their wallets, they are looking on Radium to buy their meme coins because they know that those people who launch a meme coin on Radium are way more serious than if you create a meme coin on Pump.Fun. I mean, everyone sees this, right? So why would not everyone launch a meme coin on Radium? It's because you need to know coding to launch a meme coin on Radium. How are you going to launch a meme coin on Radium? You don't know. you have to know coding, you have to know programming. But there's a solution for this right now, because I found this website that's called solanatokenlabs.io, and without any coding knowledge and without any knowledge about programming or whatsoever, you can launch your own meme coin on Radium. So this is like something pretty crazy, and I've showed this in previous videos as well. You can see the previous meme coins are launched. And yeah, it's actually really simple. So solanatokenlabs.io made it possible right now to launch a meme coin on Radium without that you have to know anything about coding at all. You can even copy trending tokens from Pump.Fun. So for example, Pump.Fun has coins that are being pushed that have good market caps. Most of the Pump.Fun meme coins don't perform well at all. But if you go to Memescope, you can select Memescope right here on Photon, you can see meme coins from Pump.Fun that are doing well, about to graduate. This means that there's a lot of people buying these meme coins. I just discovered something incredible with solanatokenlabs.io. It finally provides a way to launch on Radium without needing any coding skills. The process is extremely straightforward. Simply answer a few guided prompts, and you're ready to go. After thorough testing, I can confidently confirm it works reliably. Let's get straight into the tutorial and mint our token right now. For this project, I'm using this image. Resize the image to exactly 128 by 128 pixels, download it, and you'll be prepared for the next step. Now return to solanatokenlabs.io and connect your wallet. A prompt will appear asking for authorization. Simply approve it to proceed. Next, you'll fill in your token details. I'm naming the token Stonks, and its symbol is Stonks also for better branding and memorability. Upload the resized logo you prepared earlier. Click Next and continue with the process. For the description, I'm entering Stonks are always high. When you reach the token settings page, do not change anything. The default configuration is ideal. The supply is set to a full 1 billion tokens, which we will need later for growth and liquidity. Click Next to continue. The following section will offer the option to add social media links. You can safely skip this step. Based on multiple tests, social links have not been necessary for successful Radium launches. Click Skip and move on. After that, you'll see a screen asking if you want to add creator information and a project website. However, doing so costs 0.1 Solana. In my opinion, it's not a good investment at this stage. Toggle the option off, skip it, and proceed. Now comes one of the coolest features: custom token addresses. Solana Token Labs lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump like suffix, having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO, like 2 alphabets in small. Moving forward, you will see 3 critical toggles. Pay very close attention here. Ensure that all 3 options remain enabled. If you disable Revoke Freeze, it means you would have the ability to freeze trading anytime. A major red flag for investors. If you disable Revoke Mint, it allows unlimited token minting, another massive red flag. If you disable Revoke Update, it means you could alter the contract at any time. Extremely dangerous for investor trust. Sophisticated investors always check for these vulnerabilities. If they detect any of them, they will immediately avoid your token. To maintain trust and transparency, leave every toggle activated. Now click Launch My Token Now. Your wallet will prompt you for final approval. Confirm the transaction with 1 click, and your token will officially go live on the Solana blockchain. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Radium, and you're going to have the base token, your Solana, and the quote token is going to be your meme coin, and you have to copy. In this case, the symbol and name are the same. So we're going to do this. We're going to select it. First, we have to connect our wallet, of course. Then we have this. We press maximum, and we're going to put in 900 million. And then, of course, it's important you're going to have Solana into your wallet. I already made videos about this. I'm not going to show again in this video the live process because I already showed in my previous 3 videos on my channel the exact same thing. So if you want to see the proof, the live proof of launching a meme coin, go to my other videos. It's gonna cost me too much time to do it now again to show you, because this is just for you, the video, because I have so many people messaging me that they don't know how to do this, or they don't know how to make money with meme coins. And this is the exact process, guys. So if you want to see the live proof, go to my other videos. So this was the process. This is just a very short, quick video because I've made live proof videos already a lot of times right now, but I still get a lot of messages from people that don't know how this works. So if you do this and just repeat it, you can turn, like I said before, your $100 into $1,000. And you can just copy and repeat this process over and over again. And once you do this, you will get a lot of Solana into your wallet without having to buy it at this price. So if Solana is going to go up to this to $200, or maybe if the bull market is not over yet, we're going to go see higher prices, then I would not be surprised if we're going to reach $400 with Solana. So if that's going to happen, you will have a lot of Solana at this price right now into your wallet with only launching meme coins. So the only money you need as an initial investment is some Solana for creating the liquidity pool and some Solana to create the coin on solanatokenlabs.io.